Well, I'm a horticulturist by trade, and I've run a number of businesses in the horticulture and the environmental space. We did some market research for a government very early on in the late 90s, and we stumbled across some science that had been done on using leaf litter falling into gutters and how it cleaned the water up. So we decided if we can do that with leaf litter falling into gutters, we could do it with people's recycled organic materials that they collect. Firstly, there's a waste issue that the communities are dealing with around the world, and that's the bigger the populations grow, the bigger the waste problem is, and that's a big challenge for communities. Then there's a water issue. The more population there is, the more contamination there is going into the waterways surrounding those developments and so on. And the third one is how you get enough water for those people to survive off in the long term, through droughts, through climate change, of course. So water security is a big problem as well. Well, the problem with stormwater is that it captures a lot of contaminants. A lot of these contaminants you don't see. Everyone knows you see bottles, cans and that flowing down into rivers, creeks and oceans and that, but it's the invisible pollutants that are the main problem. Star Water has developed a technology that uses the waste materials from our communities to be able to treat the water and remove the pollutants from the water, and then also capture that clean water and make it available for reuse. We use recycled materials, up to 100% recycled materials locally from the communities where our systems go. So we localise the technology around the world, and we have developed a patented technology, but also a computer tool that selects the right types of raw materials, recycled raw materials, and matches that with the pollutant profiles or the types of materials we need to remove from the water. So we have an IPO at the moment. We're raising $1.15 million to $1.5 million, and that money is to be used for scaling up to take advantage of the policy and regulatory settings I was talking about, but also to provide solutions for communities that need it around the world that are developing faster than what they can manage the infrastructure that's there at the moment. We believe we're the future of water in what we're doing, because we can't keep up mechanically treating water, using a lot of energy resources to do that as the populations grow and the demand's more. Stormwater is the untapped market for water. Everything else, wastewater and drinking water's been very developed, but stormwater isn't developed as a harnessed water source, and our role is to try and do that.